Hello, welcome to Learning Every Day with me, Lisa Aaron. This channel will benefit teachers, homeschoolers, and students of all ages. I'm here to help you learn. I have broken down the basic coursework that will continue to a more in-depth advanced level. I encourage all learners to take the challenge to learn with me. Begin by taking your time, and if you need to review anything, simply go back and watch the lesson again. As you watch, I think you will be amazed at how much you will understand through pictures and examples. Join our learning circle and subscribe. Welcome to my channel, Learning Every Day with me, Lisa Aaron. Today we're going to be learning about story problems and how to solve them. If you like this lesson, subscribe for more lessons like this one. Problem solving. Step 1. Understand the problem. You need to read the problem carefully, find the important information while looking for key words, write down the numbers, identify what the problem wants you to solve. Step 2. Decide how you're going to solve the problem. Use a graph, use formulas, write an equation, make a list, find a pattern, work backwards, use reasoning, draw a picture, make a table. Step 3. Solve the problem. Use addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, addition of fractions, etc. to solve the problem. Step 4. Look back and check your answer. Place your answer back into the problem to solve. I just went over the steps needed to problem solve. Now I'm going to show you examples of problem solving using these steps for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I will be telling you key words to help you decide what mathematic operation to perform to solve the problem. Watch and listen carefully. When doing story problems that involve addition, keywords are used to identify addition problems. In addition, you will see words like in all, altogether, sum, total, more than, combined, increased by, plus, add. When you see any of these terms, your story problem involves addition. Addition example 1. The first step is to read the problem carefully. Michael has 3 toy cars, 6 toy airplanes, and 8 toy boats. How many toys does he have in all? We're still in step 1. Find the important information and key words. How many toys? 3. 3 cars? 6 airplanes? 8 boats. Keywords are how many and in all. Write down the numbers. 3, 6, 8. Identify what the problem wants you to do. How many and in all means to add. Step 2. Decide how you're going to solve the problem. How many and in all are the key words for addition. Use addition to solve. 3 plus 6 plus 8 equals 17 toys. Solve the problem. 3 plus 6 plus 8 equals 17 toys. Check your answer. 8 plus 6 plus 3 equals 17. Addition example 2. Read the problem carefully. Samantha has 105 stamps in her collection. She bought 50 more stamps. How many stamps does she have altogether? Step 1. Find the important information and key words. She has 105 stamps, 50 more, and the word altogether. Step 1. Write down the numbers 105 and 50. Step 1. Identify what the problem wants you to do. More and altogether means to add. Step 2. Decide how you're going to solve the problem. More and altogether are key words for addition. Use addition to solve. 105 plus 50 equals. Solve the problem. 105 plus 50 equals 155 stamps. Always remember to identify the object which you're solving for. In this case, it's stamps. Check your answer. 155 minus 50 equals 105. Keywords used to identify subtraction problems. Subtraction uses words such as remaining, difference, how many are left, how many more than, decreased by, minus, fewer than, take away. Subtraction example 1. Read the problem carefully. John's father is 30 years old. His mother is 23 years old. What is the difference of their ages? Step 1. Find the important information and key words. John's father is 30 years. The mother is 23 years. Difference of their ages. The key words are 30, 23, and difference of their ages. Step 1. Write down the numbers 30, 23. Step 2. Decide how you're going to solve the problem. Left and how many are the key words for subtraction. Inverse operations by using subtraction to solve. 30 minus 23 equals 30 minus question mark equals 7. Solve the problem. 30 minus 23 is 7 years. Make sure you say the object of what you're solving for, such as the word years. Step 4. Check your answer. 23 plus 7 equals 30. Subtraction example 2. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. David has 72 pages to read in his story book. He read some pages and then went to lunch. Now he has only 24 pages left to read. How many pages did he read before he went to lunch? Step 1. Find the important information and keywords. We know there's 72 pages and 24 pages left. How many pages did he read before he went to lunch? Step 1. Write down the numbers. 72, 24. Step 2. Decide how you're going to solve the problem. Left and how many are the key words for subtraction. Inverse operations by using subtraction to solve. 72 minus 24 equals 72 minus question mark equals 24. This is an example of inverse operations. Step 3. Solve the problem. 72 minus 24 equals 48 pages read before lunch. Step 4. Check your answer. 48 plus 24 equals 72. Keywords used to identify multiplication problems. When problem solving and you see these words, you know multiplication is involved. Words such as how many, how much, product, of, increased by, factor of, times, double, triple. Multiplication example. Read the problem carefully. There were 32 cakes for the wedding. Each cake had 2 chefs. How many chefs were there? Step 1. Find the important information and keywords. You need to know how many cakes. So there's 32 and 2 chefs. How many chefs? How many is the key word. Step 1. Write down the numbers. 32 and 2. Step 2. Decide how you're going to solve the problem. The keywords are each cake and how many. How many we know to multiply. So we know it's multiplication. 32 times 2, or you can write it parentheses 2, parentheses 32. Both these problems are written as multiplication. Step 3. Solve the problem. 32 times 2 equals 64 chefs. Step 4. Check your answer. 32 times 2 equals 64. 64 divided by 2 equals 32. Keywords used to identify division problems. Problem solving for division uses words such as how many, quotient, each, per, separate, divided equally. Division example. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. Mrs. Aaron passed out 72 books. She put the same number of books on 9 desks. How many books did she put on each desk? Step 1. Find the important information and keywords. 72 books, 9 desks, and the keywords are how many? Each desk. Step 1. Write down the numbers 72, 9. Step 2. Decide how you're going to solve the problem. How many and each are key words for division. Use division to solve. Step 3. Solve the problem. Look at this division problem. This is one way of writing it. 72 divided by 9 equals. Step 3. Solve the problem. 72 divided by 9 equals 8 books on each desk. Step 3. Check your answer. 72 divided by 9 equals 8. 9 times 8 equals 72. Inverse operations was used, so check the answer. Fraction example. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. John planted 3/7 of a garden with corn and 2/7 with lettuce. How much of the garden did he use? Step 1. Find the important information and the key words. 3/7, 2/7. How much of? Step 1. Write down the numbers 3/7, 2/7. Step 2. Decide how you're going to solve the problem. Draw a picture. Use addition to solve. The word of usually means to multiply, but not in this case. Step 3. Solve the problem. 3/7 plus 2/7 equals 5/7. Garden was used. Step 4, check your answer. 5/7 minus 2/7 equals 3/7. Using inverse operations. Two-step problem. Read the problem carefully. Joe sold 5 rabbits that cost $4.25 each, and 1 rabbit that cost $3.50. How much money did he get altogether? Step 1. Find the important information and keywords. We have 5 rabbits that cost $4.25 each, 1 rabbit that cost $3.50. How much altogether? Step 1. Write down the numbers. 5 at $4.25, 1 at $3.50. Step 2. Decide how you're going to solve the problem. Use multiplication to solve. How much altogether? 5 times $4.25, 1 times $3.50. That was step 1. 5 times $4.25 equals $21.25. 1 times $3.50 equals $3.50. Step 2 is to add all together $21.25 plus $3.50. Step 3, solve the problem. $21.25 plus $3.50 equals $24.75 money altogether. Step 2, problem 2. Step 1, read the problem carefully. There are 15 students in gym class. Each student needs a shirt and shorts. A shirt costs $3.50. Shorts cost $5. What is the total cost of uniforms? Step 1, find the important information and keywords. 15 students. A shirt costs $3.50 and $5. Shorts. What is the total cost? Step 1, write down the numbers. 15, $3.50, and $5. Step 2, decide how you're going to solve the problem. Total cost. Use multiplication to solve. Step 1, 15 times $3.50 equals $42. 15 times $5 equals $75. You can also write this problem out like this. 15 parentheses, $3.50 parentheses, plus $15 parentheses, $5 parentheses. Step 2, decide how you're going to solve the problem. Add the products to solve. $42 plus $75. Step 3, solve the problem. $42 plus $75 equals $117 total uniform cost. Now you understand problem solving. You have to be like a detective when doing story problems because of all the keywords involved and figuring out what type of math operations you're going to use to solve. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Review it over and over because it really does take time to learn how to master story problems. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for further videos. I want to help you learn every day. Take care for now. Check out these books for their academic usefulness.